So we have been talking about selectors. You already know about them. We are revisiting them again. Now, really, what is a CSS selector? According to the Mozilla documentation, it is a pattern of elements and other terms that tell the browser which HTML elements should be selected to have the CSS property values inside the rule applied to them. So basically, these selectors tell HTML which element to target. And within the selector, you have rules. So it applies those rules to those elements. Now you have some selectors that select, normal elements, like you have P for paragraph. Then you have a class. Normally a class starts with a full stop and then the name of the class. So it selects any elements that has that as the class. Now the elements which are selected by the selector are called the subject of the selector. Just for you to know that. We're going to talk a little bit about selectors so that you have a clearer understanding of them. I know you have treated it before, but this time around, we're just going to revisit the topic so that it's even more concrete in your memory.